Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a new foundation technique that I have just evolved to. I'm using some different products and I'm using some same products but in a different way, and I just feel like it's an updated version of my makeup, so I'm going to do that for you today. So let's do some makeup. All right, guys, I have cleansed, toned, and moisturized. So we're going to start with the SmashBox Photo Finish Foundation Primer and a prep brush. All right, next let's color correct with the MAC Prep and Prime highlighter in Peach Lustre. Real Techniques Complexion Sponge. And a little bit of the MAC Correct and Conceal in, this one is Ochre. Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer in SX01 with the Bold Metals concealer brush. Expert Edge brush. Strobe cream in Peachlite with the complexion blender brush. MAC Studio Fix Fluid in C4 and the Expert Face Brush. Then to blend that down on the neck, I'm using the Real Techniques Face and Body. This is the blender. Face and Body. All right, moving right along to contour, I'm going to be going in with my Krylon TV paint stick in NG2 and the contour brush. And I'm going to tap a little bit of that into the brush and then sculpt out my jawline with this. All right, TV paint stick in 6W and a sculpting brush. MAC Studio Fix foundation stick in NW50, a stippling brush, and then also a MAC 227 brush. A little more of the NW50, and this is where we're going to use the 227 brush. MAC Prep and Prime highlighter in Radiant Rose. Soft accent brush. All right, just a little bit of the Jeffree Star Liquid Skin Frost in Canary Bling. Put that on with the complexion blender brush. Some MAC Invisible Setting Powder. So I don't like to do a lot of cooking with highly pigmented powders under the eyes because I feel like it really dries the skin out and makes it look crepey under the eyes. And I find that in photographs, yes, you want to be highlighted under your eyes, but you don't want this like white flashback that creates this like spot of white under your eye or spot of white in the middle of the forehead. So what I like to do is I take a little bit of the MAC Studio Fix Pastels and Shivering White with a setting brush, and I go underneath the eye with that. And some on the forehead. And then once I've put the Shivering White down, then I go ahead and I take more of my translucent powder and I put that underneath my eye to protect my cheeks from any eyeshadow fallout. And it is cooking, I guess, technically, but like I said, I don't like doing it with a heavily pigmented powder because I just don't like that white flashback in photos. I like to use two different contour colors, like with my creams. I use the darker color to really carve it out, and then I use the lighter color on top of that to blend it out. I'm going to start with the Rebel Edge medium brush and MAC blush in Taupe. MAC blush in Blunt. Rebel Edge broad brush and MAC Taupe. All right, next, MAC bronzing powder in matte bronze and the Artist powder brush. MAC blush in Fleur Power and the blush brush. MAC Extra Dimension SkinFinish in Double Gleam and a Spotlight fan brush. All right, so at this point, you're ready to do your makeup and your brows, finish your makeup application. We're just gonna pretend that we went ahead and did that, and we're at the point where we can go ahead and dust off the extra setting powder. And then we're gonna finish everything off with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Shimmer Spray in Pinklite. And then we're gonna take a powder brush and we're gonna lightly tap that into the makeup. That is my updated foundation technique. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.